In this video, I'm going to show you a full step-by-step tutorial of how you can earn money online with ChatGPT. This is a complete new strategy, and I'm pretty sure that not everybody is talking about this and is not even thinking about this way to make money online. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, I suggest you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because I'm creating videos in which I'm teaching you guys ways to make money online. So if you're interested, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. We are going to be using ChatGPT and a couple of websites. This strategy is a worldwide strategy, so it doesn't matter where you guys are from. As long as you apply it, you can earn money, and you can actually scale this business model that you can create using ChatGPT. Okay, the very first website that we're going to be using, it's this one. It's called justdrop.com, in which you're going to be getting deleted domains. Okay, domains, it's the name.com, the name.net, etc. Okay, so you're gonna go here where it says daily deals. Okay, this is something that it's updated on a daily basis. So here on the daily deals, my suggestion, guys, is go ahead and get the subscription here. So you are gonna get the notification every single day with the newest domains. There are gonna be some really powerful domains, and others well. Okay, the domains that we're going to be using are domains that are going to be specific to a niche. Okay, specific to a niche, and that we can build something. For example, this one is really great. Okay, birthdaycakedecorations.com. There is an incredible niche on that one. Okay, there is this other one, cryptocurrencychamber.com. Okay, we also have this one where it says going to belgium.com. So you're going to see these are niche related, and a lot of people are going to grab the idea right away what the website is going to be all about. Okay. For example, here, personalcookbooks.com. Incredible. Okay. So you're going to notice that, for example, if I go and I purchase birthday cake decoration, okay, the value is $2,500 and the price is $99. Yeah, it is actually great if you decide to go ahead and sell just the domain. But there is going to be something more valuable. Okay, so here we have birthday cake decorations. Okay, so people know that people are going to be visiting that website because they want to learn about birthday cake decorations. Okay, because they want to have which supplies do they need in order to decorate their cakes. They want to see which are the best cake decoration out there. I think you're following me the idea, right? So as soon as you purchase the domain, and here we have different prices, $99, $149. Okay, yes, you can go ahead and you can sell it, but it's gonna take a lot of time in order to get a customer. So my suggestion is to go to this second website, which is called Flippa. Okay, so you're going to go to flippa.com, in which you're going to be selling. In this case, it can be a simple blog post with a couple of articles on it. Okay, so here on flippa.com, you are going to go and do a quick search. Okay, here on the quick search, you are going to notice that we have several websites. Okay, and the prices are $10,000, $85,000, more than $500,000, $28,000, $125,000. I think you already get it. But we are not going to be spending a lot of time on this website. So you're going to go to website, and you're going to go here where it says starter sites. Here on the starter sites, you are going to notice that here we have websites that people already built. They do have a cache domain, right? They do have some content, okay? So people understand, they get the idea. For example, we have this one, Video Kids. We have the Doodle Video Pros. Okay, so you're gonna see here $2,000, almost $30,000 here. Okay, 250, 500. I think you already get it. Okay, so let me show you a little bit about this. For example, we have betokids.com. Okay, the domain is 9 years old, and this is something that I like about Just Drop, is the fact that these are really old domains. These are really valuable because they are really old and they're niche related. Okay, so it doesn't matter if it's actually a really new site. People are going to understand the value of it because the domain, it's old, so it's valuable. The domain is niche related. Okay, and you already put some content on the website. So where we're going to be getting the content, okay, we are going to be using ChatGPT in order to get the content. In my case, I use it to write me an article for best cake decoration. Okay, I can write as many articles as I want, and I can sell this as a blog. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Also, let me know, guys, where you're from, because I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that is available in your area. Are you currently using ChatGPT to make money online? You are considering using it? Let me know in the comment area. And if you guys want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, I'm going to be leaving the very first link in the description. Okay, so check out that link after watching this video. Now, let me go ahead and complete the tutorial. So there are a couple of things that you're gonna need. For example, you're gonna need a logo. Okay, there are two options that you can do this. First of all, you can go to fiverr.com and you can type logo. You're gonna see that you can get a logo here for $25, $40, $20. Yeah, there are others who are actually charging more, but you don't need like a too fancy color because people just need to get the idea of what this website is going to be all about. Remember, the value here, it's in two things. It's in the fact that you have a really old domain that is valuable, that is also niche related, and that you have a website with a small structure. The other thing is that if you want to go ahead, you can go and create it yourself. You can go to canva.com. This is a website in which you can make amazing designs online, and you are going to have tons of templates. Okay, so literally in a couple of clicks, you can create your brand. Okay, you can create your logo. You can do that with canva.com. Okay, now you might be wondering, like, Diana, hey, so you're telling me that I need to have a website, but I have never built a website in the past. Well, there is one website hosting that I have been using for a really long time, which is called Bana Hosting. Here on Bana Hosting, you can create your website in record time. Okay, and it's actually really, really affordable. You can create it by using WordPress with a one-click installation, and they do have tons of templates, so you don't have to worry about the designs. And by the designs, I mean the template of or the theme of the website. Okay, so this is a really good way in which you can actually create a website in record time, have a reliable service. And remember, guys, there are several ways in which you can actually make money online. But if you are ready to fire your boss, check the very first link in the description. Okay, so this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, also don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.